All right, my students, welcome back to Dr. Shaurav's classes. Today we are entering the detective world of the statistical inference. And today's criminal is hidden inside the word estimable. Okay, now students usually hear this word and react like, ma'am, sounds dangerous. But actually, estimability is just asking, like, can we construct an unbiased estimator for a function of the parameter or not? That's all. And today's problem is a beautiful conceptual question from the Poisson distribution. Time question, but huge brain test. So let's read it and then we will discuss about this question. So question is, let x be a Poisson random variable with mean lambda. Okay. Which of the following parametric function is not estimable? There are four options. Option number one says lambda inverse, two says lambda, three says lambda square, four says e to the power minus lambda. Okay. Now, basically, uh, first we should understand the estimatable. Okay, estimable means what? Okay, so a function g lambda is called estimable if there exists some statistics dx such that for all values of lambda. Okay, now estimability is basically, can expectation manufacture the target function? Expectation is like a factory machine, you can say. You put in a statistic and machine outputs some function of lambda. And the question is, can the machine ever produce the desired function or not? Now, for a Poisson random variable, basically, okay, where x is like 0, 1, 2, and so on. Now, suppose we take any statistic tx, then the expectation becomes 0 to infinity. Why? Okay, so take e to the power minus lambda outside. So we get, right? Now, this expression is the entire soul of the problem. Observe carefully. E of tx is basically e to the power minus lambda into power series in lambda. So every estimable function must look like e to the power minus lambda to analytic power series. So this is the hidden structure basically. Now, now we should test the options one by one. So first, come to option number two, that is lambda. Now, is it estimable? Is it estimable? Of course, because E of x is lambda. So estimator is simply T of x. This is x. So done. Okay. So Poisson distribution literally hands over lambda for free, like le beta, le lambda le, take it. Okay. Now option number three, lambda square, right? Now, can we estimate this unbiasedly? Recall. Hence, unbiased estimator is x into x minus 1. So, this is estimable. Now, for the Poisson distribution, basically we can say this is basically lambda to the power r, and this is called the factorial moment property. And this is why all the polynomial powers of lambda are estimated. Okay, now come to the option number 4. That is e to the power minus lambda, right? Now, can this be estimated? Yes, take the statistic. This is inductor function of event x equal to 0. Then we can say, and for Poisson, and therefore minus. Okay, hence this is estimable. Okay, so this estimator is very lazy basically. It only works when nothing happens. So if x equal to 0, estimator says yes sir, otherwise I am unavailable due to the technical issues. Okay, now come to the option number 1. This is lambda inverse, this is 1 by lambda. Now comes the villain. Can expectation of some statistic produce 1 by lambda? Remember the general form. 0 to infinity x lambda to the power x. Okay. So this expression is always well behaved near lambda equal to 0 because it is formed from the non-negative powers of lambda. But 1 by lambda has singularity at lambda equal to 0. It blows up to infinity. So it cannot be represented in the required form. Hence, lambda inverse is not estimable. Okay. So what is the final answer? Final answer is lambda inverse. Okay. Now, for the Poisson distribution, all polynomial type function lambda are estimable. Okay. All polynomial type all polynomial type functions of lambda are estimable, and functions connected to Poisson probabilities like e to the power minus lambda are also estimable. But singular function like you can say 1 by lambda are generally not estimable. Why? Because expectation from Poisson cannot generate the negative powers of lambda. Okay. Now, expectation in Poisson distribution is like a Lego factory, you can say. It can build one lambda, lambda square, lambda cube, but suddenly, if you ask for one by lambda, factory says like, brother, this part was never manufactured here. So, not estimable will be lambda inverse. Okay. Now, for the exponential family distribution, estimable functions are closely connected to the completeness and the power series structure. Always remember that. Okay. And Poisson belongs to exponential family. Hence, analytic structure becomes extremely important in the determining the estimability. Okay. So, clear? I hope this is clear. So this is the total complete solution of this question, guys. So how was the class? I think it was good. And in the next session, we will be solving this type of questions again. Okay. So that will be very, very important for your examination. All right. So let's meet at the next session. Let's solve this kind of questions again. Okay. So see you in the next session, guys. Bye bye. Till then, keep learning and keep growing with us with only Dr. Shorov's classes. Bye bye, guys. See you soon.